Good morning, friends. Welcome to Adda 24/7. So you might have started not ended the preparation of ABM class, right? ABM, because on Sunday, just 2 days, you are having this exam. So definitely you might have been preparing a hell lot over there, right? So I have come to help you. How have I come to help you? Here I have come up with the two case studies of 5 marks each, time series, very difficult case studies. You will see both of them in the exams. Remember this, because I have seen from my previous experience. You see all these case studies. One is this gas company problem, and second is this bank cash problem. You will see both the case studies over there. So attend this lecture till the end, okay, and also follow our complete series. We have covered majority, almost all the topics of based on ABM and BFM, okay. So before that, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. Also join Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. On Adda 24/7 app, you will get all the study material, video lectures, notes, question banks, you name it, you have it, everything, okay. So download it fast, okay. Also we are coming up with this crash course, okay, of this BFM 27 June starting, okay. So join this as fast as possible, because 12 case studies, 5 marks each, okay. So 12 by the 60, passing and failing is decided by the case studies only, okay. Okay, importantly, this is a felicitation program arranged on 24th, means today only. So at 12 p.m. So join it as fast as possible, okay. And see the venue. It is at second floor, Tower A, Unitech Cybertech, Cyber Park, Sector 39, Gurugram. Those who are near can definitely join physically. Others can join online. Okay. Without wasting the time, let's start the topic. Okay. Yeah. A gas company has supplied the cooking gas to the city of Mumbai. It has supplied this 18, 20, 21 and 25 lakh cubic feet of gas for the years 1996 to 1999. See here, I have changed it to 1999. Why? Because I will tell you later why have I changed it. So to 1999. Find a linear equation that best describes the data. Calculate the percent of trend of for this data. Calculate a relative cyclical residue, and in which year does the largest fluctuation of the trend occurs. Okay, these will be the 4 questions you will definitely see in the exam, and something fifth will be there. Anything, okay, that will come within the problem itself. Now, important point is, check this. Whenever you solve any time series problem, always see to it that you follow these two thumb rules. One is, check if linear equation is asked. If linear is asked, only then solve the problem. Otherwise, leave that much problem itself. Remaining you can solve, but leave that, because curvilinear or parabolic equation, if it is asked, it's the toughest. It will consume hell lot of time of yours, and you will lose somewhere else in that, okay. In exam, you must always know how to solve something, but you should also know what is to be avoided in the exam. These things you can come at the end if you are asked the parabolic equation, but linear, immediately solve it, okay. Theorem, thumb rule number 1. Thumb rule number 2, check the number of items. If they are even, then multiply it by 2. So what are the number of items over here? Check always x. Which is the x-axis? Here is always the x-axis. Why? Because always remember, x-axis is the independent axis, okay. So all the elements on the x-axis are independent, so years are always independent, and its supply will be dependent on the years, because 18 is in 1996, 20 is in 97, 21 is in 98, and 25 is in 99, right? So here the supply is dependent on the year is not dependent on the supply. So that's why x-axis will always have independent variables. So how to solve this? See this. First prepare this table. Remember, the year is not the x-axis, okay. We have to derive x-axis from that. How? See this. Write all the years over here: 1996, 97, 98, 99. Find the mean, average of this, okay. Average is what? See this. If you total them and divide it by 4, you will get 1997 by 0.5 as the average, okay, mean. Subtract everyone from the year. 1996 to 1997 minus 1.5. 1997 to 97.5, 0.5 minus 0.5. Similarly, here plus 0.5 and here plus 1.5. Now if you total this x, so what happens? Minus 1.5 plus 1.5 cancelled, minus 0.5 plus 0.5 cancelled. So summation of x will always be 0, and this is what you always want, okay. But here remember, whenever you have x and whenever you have even number of items, don't consider this as x. Multiply this by 2. Always multiply this by 2. So 1.5 into 2 is minus 3. Similarly minus 1, plus 1 and 3. Now if you add this also, you will get the answer as 0 only. So this is the new x now. Remember, whenever you have even number of items, multiply this by 2 and this becomes the new x. Okay. So what is the summation of x now? Total of x. If you total this, you will always get it as 0. So now we have got these x items. Okay. Now we check the y items. Y are simple: 18, 20, 21, 25. These are given. Whatever is given in the question, use that only. See this 18, 20, 21, 25. Okay. Use that only. Now you have got x also. Now we have got y also. Now you do other part, that is xy and x square. Multiply x with y, multiply and then find the square of x. So 18 3s are minus 54, 21s are 20 and minus sign. Okay. 21 1s are 21 plus and 25 3s are 75. Okay. Now x into y, if you add these all, so minus minus gets cancelled with plus and final answer you get is plus 22. Okay. You have to do it this. Okay. Practice this. How many of you are practicing now? Type yes if you are practicing. Type yes. And if you don't, if you haven't practiced, type no. Then also it's okay. Okay. You can practice. You have 2 days. You can definitely practice it now. Okay. So xy. You have done this xy. Do the x square also. So minus 3 square is plus 9. Minus 1 square is plus 1. Then plus 1 square is plus 1 and this again 9. Okay. So answer is 20. So wait up to here. Don't go beyond this. Okay. Wait up to here only, because we have to solve first all the first questions. Okay. Then we have to go to the residual cycle problem later. Okay. So how to find out now what is our target? Our target is y equals to a plus bx. This equation is our target. So how to find that? First find b. What is the formula for b? Summation xy minus nx bar dot y bar upon summation x square minus nx bar square. Now what do you mean by this? This you get it from the correlation problem. Okay. Same problem. B correlation problem, we use the same equation of b. See here. Actually the equation, this formula for b is covariance of xy upon variance of x, right? But if you solve this a little, you will get this answer. Now why have we done this? We have done this because, remember this, we are having x bar over here. What do you mean by x bar? X bar means what? Can anyone tell me fast? X bar means mean of x. Now what do you mean by mean? Mean of any number, average of any number is what? Total of this number upon number of elements, right? But what is the total? Total is 0. Now if total is 0, mean will be definitely 0, isn't it? So this becomes what? N into x bar dot y bar becomes 0. Similarly this x bar square, n into x bar square, this also becomes 0 because x bar is 0. So what b remains then? Summation xy upon summation x square. This we already know. We have we got this value 22 upon 20. So if you solve this, you will get this answer as 1.1. Now we have got b. Put the value of b over here and x bar and y bar over here. Okay. So how to find what are the values of x bar, y bar and b? See this. B is this. Just now 1.1 we have got it. What is the value of x bar? X bar is this. X bar means this. This is the x bar. So that is 0. So b into x bar becomes 0. What is the value of y bar? Y bar is this. What is the value of this? We get it as 21, I think so. Yeah. Total is 84 upon 4. So 21. So y bar I got this as 21. And a, therefore 21 equals to a plus 0. So a becomes what? 21. So what did I get? A as 21. So what is the equation now? Y equals to 21 plus 1.1 into x. This is the first answer. See this. Find the linear equation. That is this. Y equals to 21 plus 1.1 into x. Here I might have written it over here. See this. 21 plus 1.1 into x. Instead of minus 3, it's x. Why minus 3 is there? We'll see this later over here. Okay. Second one. Calculate the percent of the trend of this data. Now this is what? Percent of trend means what? Actual y upon expected y. Now how to find this actual y and expected y is here. Actual y means what? Whatever is given. See this 18, 20, 21, all this y given. Okay. And what is expected y? Expected y, you put the values here. I'll show you one value over here. Y equals to a plus bx. A is what? 21. Okay. So what is 21? Keep it 21 plus 1.1 into b is 1.1 into what is x now? For first value it is minus 3. Okay. So what do we get? 21 minus 3.3. Okay. So 21 minus 3.3 is what? 17.7. You get y as 17.7. Similarly for second value, I'll give you one more example, okay? 21 plus 1.1 into minus 1. See the second value, okay? You get it as 19.9. So put this 19.9. Similarly find others. For others, this also. Same thing, you can use it and find the third one. You try it yourself now. So this will be plus 1. So 1.1, 21 plus 1.1, right? So 22.1, I think so over here. 22.1 over here, okay? And last one will be what? Try it yourself. See this, 22.1 over here, 22.1. And last one will be what? 21 plus 1.1 into plus 3 now. Okay, so 3.3, 21 plus 3.3. So 24.3. That will be expected y for each, okay? They won't ask you that expected y for this complete expected y. They'll ask you for 1 or 2 years. They'll ask you for either this or this, any two, and that will be for 1 mark, okay? So now we have got this expected y, but what is the value of this percent of trend? See here, actual y upon expected y. So actual y is what? 18 upon 17.7, right? So 18.17.7 is 1.01. So this answer will be 1.01, okay? Or if you want it in percentages, it is 101. Similarly the other one, 20 upon 19.9. So it is some roughly that only, 1 point something, okay? You can try it yourself. Just put the values. 20 upon 19.9, you will get it over here. 21 upon 22.1, you will get something over here. Shall I give you the values over here now? Okay, shall I show you the values? See this, the values are, I'll do it yourself, myself also over here. Let's try this. So what is the answer? What I want? 20 upon 19.9, right? 20 upon 19.9. So the answer is 1.005. So roughly 1 you can take it, right? See this part over here, 1.005. You can take it 1 also. Now this 21 upon 22.1. So 21 upon 22.1. So you get it as 0.95. This is 0.95. So again I'll tell you, they won't ask you the percent trend for all the 4 years. They'll ask you for 1 year somewhere. Find the percent trend for 1997. Find the expected y for 1998. Something like that they'll ask you, okay? Now once you have got this percent trend, see this. That is what was the question? Find the relative, B1. Calculate the percent trend for this data. So this percent trend they'll give you, okay? And you'll find it for each year. If they ask you for total, what you do, you total everything and then average it, okay? That also can be done, but they don't generally ask you. They ask you for a year. Now what is residual cycle? Residual cycle means it's very simple. See here, residual cycle means whatever you get it as a percent trend over here, subtract it from 100, okay? So what is for the first? See this, 100 minus, I'll write it over here, okay? 100 minus 1.01, okay? So it becomes 98.99, okay? 98.99, okay? So this is the way it is done, okay? So similarly you will find it for others also. Got this point, everyone? So now you'll be able to find the remaining ones. We won't waste much time on this because it's an easy task now. Just subtraction, okay? Here it is, residual is minus 1.0, so it will be 100 minus 1.005. Here it is 100 minus 0.95, and here the last answer, okay? That you can definitely find it out. So these were the two questions. In which year the largest fluctuation, there is the largest fluctuation. So which year? You can definitely find out from here. Wherever there is a residual cycle maximum, roughly it is over here 1.01, I think so. And this one, what is the answer for this? Has everyone got this answer? This 25 upon 24.3, what is the answer for this? 25 upon 24.3. So what is 1.02? You are getting it 1.02 over here. So the answer is 1.03, okay, roughly. So which is the maximum fluctuation? Fluctuation is in the year 1999, okay? So this year it's a maximum fluctuation. So this was the case study. Now we'll go for the second case study. Remember, I won't leave you because I want you to clear CAIIB. Before that, say this, we are coming up with this batch for this December exam. Join this as fast as possible. Huge discounts are going on, okay? Use this code Y432. English batch, ABM plus BFM plus retail, all numericals, all case studies, all questions are solved over there. Okay. Second case study. We have given the percentages of the actual moving average in the following table from a bank data describing the amount of cash circulation. So this is the cash circulation in the branches. Now what is the problem over here? See this. 4 years are given and 4 seasons are given. Each season they have given separate cash figures. So in 1998 spring it was 87, 1998 summer it was 106, something, everything. Find the seasonal index for each quarter. Now we have to find out the seasonal index. Now this will again be for 5 marks. Okay, but you won't be getting the single question over there. You will be getting various questions. I'll tell you which questions. Okay, firstly, arrange this table. For whatever table is given, type it, write it as it is on the rough paper. Then find the sum. Okay, sum of these, all the 4 sums, 87, 106, 86, 104, 125. Add this, you will get 404. Similarly for second, 405, 404, 404. Okay, all the 4 sums you have got, find the average. So we'll call this as A. Okay, average. So what is that? 404 upon 4, right? How to find out the average? Total upon number of items, right? So 404 upon 4, so it is 101. 405 upon 4, 101.25. Similarly 101 and 101. Okay, now you have got the average of all these 4 years. Now I'll tell you what is the where the 5 marks will be distributed. One average will be asked to you amongst this. Okay, so that will be for 1 mark. Now what you do next is do the total of all these averages. See this total 404.25. Add all these, you will get 404.25. Okay, you have got this total. Now do the average of averages. We'll call this AA, average of averages. Okay, remember what is the target? Seasonal index. Okay, so AA, what is the formula for A? Again this 404.25 upon 4. Okay, so divide this, you will get 101.06. So AA you have got it at 101.06. Okay, now what do you have? You have A for each year and you have AA for final. Okay, so seasonal index is what? See this, A upon AA. So there here the questions will be segregated. The marks will be segregated. They'll ask you for 1999. They'll ask you for 2001, something like this. Okay. So how to find this? A upon AA. Do E for each one 101 upon 101.06. Okay, and multiplied by 100 because after all we are finding the percentage. So into 19 you will get this as 99.94. Similarly for others, 101.25 upon 101.06. So it is 100.19 percentage. Similarly 99.94 and 99.94. So this case study you get it for 5 marks, remember. Okay, so these were the 2 important case studies. Also again I'll tell you this BFM batch is coming up on 27 June. Okay, case study batch. Join this as fast as possible and I'll show you how to use this code for this batch also and for this earlier batch, this batch. This is a full series batch. I'll tell you, you will definitely clear the CAIIB. If you have not cleared appeared this time, you can attempt this time next time also. Or if you have appeared and couldn't clear it, join this batch, you will definitely clear it in December because this is the last attempt. Remember, from May 23 they are changing the portion. So this is a serious part. Okay. So how to get this code use this code? Say this. I'll tell you, go to Adda 24/7 this website. On Adda 24/7, let me go to it. Okay, first. Okay, here. Yeah, you've gone to Adda 24/7. Click on this. See this, on the front page itself you'll see JAIIB and CAIIB batches. Okay, click on JAIIB and CAIIB. Once you click on this, you'll see all the batches over here, JAIIB, CAIIB, MAPAC plus all the RRB exam. Click on all this, view all JAIIB, CAIIB products. Once you click this, you'll see the batches. Click on any batch. See this batch is what? This is a batch which I was talking of. Click on this batch, you'll see the fees as 17 what? 999. Okay, so this, and you'll see the details over here of that batch. What are the timings here? Okay, so these timings plus this 17999. Now how to solve this? See this fees, click on view offers. Okay, once you click on view offers, you will get this code Y4, put this code Y432. Okay, apply the code. Once you apply the code, see this, 17,999 and minus you get a discount of 77%. So 4139 is the final amount which you get. Now 4139, if you clear CAIIB, your roughly increment is 1300 average. So 13 threes are 39. In 3 months itself you recover everything. Whatever is left is yours for the lifetime. Okay. So I would suggest go for this batch as fast as possible. I'll meet you tomorrow with another topic.